If you are already in Bytnex, you should know by now that Bytnex is always going on maintenance. So at the moment, maintenance is ongoing, and if you try to log in, you will see this error message saying 403 forbidden error. This is not for you to panic. This is what we get every single time that Bytnex goes under maintenance. Okay, so if you are in Bytnex, you should be used to this by now. Okay, considering the amount of money involved in this platform, they are bound to go on maintenance, whether it is announced or it is unannounced. Please don't panic. For those that are trying very hard to log in today, the message you will get is this: 403 forbidden error. This does not mean that Bytnex has packed up. This means that they are doing something behind the scene. So they restricted you access to the website to allow them to finish whatever they are doing. Most of the time, they are upgrading their server because of all this attack that is coming all the time from the hackers that are trying to hack the website, right? So they don't announce any maintenance. Sometimes, on a very few occasions, they will announce this maintenance. So if you go to Google and Google what 403 forbidden error means, the AI overview here is telling us that the web server understood your request but refuses to authorize access to the resources, indicating a permissions issue or a block, not that the page is missing. So remember, the page is not missing. Bytnex has not gone anywhere, right? So please make sure that you actually Google the meaning of the error before you start to panic. But the point I'm trying to make here is they are on maintenance. That's all you need to know right now. Okay? Now, you will be asking, when is the maintenance going to be over? I don't know, because there was no prior information or update regarding this maintenance. So anytime we try to log in and it's not letting us in, it means they are still doing the maintenance. But if you try to log in and you are able to log in, it means they have completed the maintenance. So this can take days or hours. So please do not panic. Your daily earnings are still going on as it's supposed to be. Your invested capital, which you use to activate your contract or contracts, depending on how many contracts you have, that money is still there. Everything is still working behind the scene. It's just that we don't have access to the user interface. So please do not panic. Once after maintenance, you will be able to access your Bytnex account. If you have in the past tried to send money, deposit money into your Bytnex account, please wait for them to come back before you continue to do that. If you wanted to activate a contract, please wait for the website to come back, let them finish the maintenance, and then you can activate your contract. If you wanted to withdraw your commissions from your referral bonuses that they have given you for growing your team, please be patient and wait for them to come back, and then you can now request for that withdrawal, right? If you are looking to sign up today, please be patient and wait for the system to come back after maintenance. You will be able to do everything that you used to do. So I just thought I should drop this video very quickly so that you guys will know what is going on, right? Maintenance is on. Don't panic. They will come back after maintenance. Thank you.